Meet Radha, a loving mother who takes care of her family's health with the utmost care. One day, her son falls sick with a persistent cough that just won't go away. Despite trying various cough syrups, nothing seems to be working. That's when she comes across the Dr. Cough syrup, which boasts of natural ingredients and double the amount in a single bottle compared to other cough syrups. Skeptical at first, Radha decides to give it a try, as it has a great value for money with the 200ml packing for the same price as others selling 100ml. As she gives her son the Dr. Cough syrup, she notices an immediate difference. The syrup is gentle on his throat and doesn't leave behind any harsh aftertaste. The natural ingredients like tulsi, honey, and ginger soothe his throat and reduce the frequency of his coughing. As her son's health improves, Radha is impressed with the power of natural ingredients. She realizes that the Dr. Cough Ayurvedic syrup not only works better than other synthetic cough syrups but is also better value for money with its double the quantity for the same price. She is grateful to have found such a product that takes care of her family's health while also providing value for money. And as she looks at her son, feeling better able to sleep peacefully at night, realizes that Dr. Cough syrup is a natural solution that provides holistic care for her family's health. It's a product that she trusts and can rely on for years to come. So, if you're like Radha, someone who wants to take care of your family's health with the utmost care, choose Dr. Cough Ayurvedic syrup. It's the natural solution that provides value for money and helps you take care of your family's health in the best possible way.